Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we dive into best fidelity crypto trading fee. So let's dive into it. If you're wondering how much it costs to trade crypto with Fidelity, the good news is it's simple. Fidelity Crypto doesn't charge additional trading commission. Instead, there is a small 1% spread included in every buy or sell, which you will see clearly before confirming your trade. There is also no account fee, custody fees, or hidden charges. So what you see is what you pay. This makes Fidelity pricing model straightforward, especially for beginners who want full transparency. However, that 1% spread can add up if you're trying frequently or want larger amounts, since some exchange offer lower rate or higher volume traders. But if you value simplicity, trust, and platform built for everyday investors, Fidelity Crypto offer one of the most transparent and reliable fee structured around. If this helped you, hit the like, subscribe for more quick finance insight, and share your experience with Fidelity Crypto in the comment section. And that's it.